In this video, I'll show you how to open the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV in 2025. Important note, most LG Smart TVs use WebOS, not Android TV, so they don't have the Google Play Store built in like Android TVs. But here's what you can do to access Android apps on your LG TV. Step 1. Check your TV type. If your LG TV is Android-based, it will have Google Play Store pre-installed. If it's a WebOS TV, most LG models, Google Play Store won't be available directly. Step 2. Use an Android TV box or Chromecast with Google TV. Connect an Android TV box or Chromecast with Google TV to your LG TV's HDMI port. This device gives you access to the Google Play Store and Android apps. Step 3. Use screencasting or mirroring. Use Google Cast from your phone or tablet to cast apps and content to your LG TV. This lets you enjoy apps that aren't available on WebOS. Step 4. Use LG Content Store for apps. On your LG Smart TV, press the Home button. Open the LG Content Store to find and download apps optimized for WebOS. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips.